Safety Week, and where Goa Police and IG sir himself had been helping us flag off a motorcycle rally for traffic safety. We had a discussion that something which we can do as a hospital to keep the families and the cops who are serving day and night the society to make and ensure that there is order and law.
Avail this opportunity to check up our body and to get it rectified if it is there something. And I thank Manipal Hospital that they initiated this type of health checkup programs so that our Jawan and the officers can get the benefit of these type of facilities.
It was against this background that we had a discussion with Dr. Manish Dwivedi, Dr. Shekhar Salkar, and we decided that let us jointly launch a healthy walk initiative whereby our staff from different units and different police stations they can come and they can get themselves medically examined, and in case there is any problem they can immediately take the corrective action also. So this program will not end with this program. In fact, all other police stations and other units of Goa Police will also be covered. In fact, Honorable Chief Minister has also the other day directed us that we should take care of the health of our personnel. Because in police headquarters, some Jawan, they recently
स्वताच जर हेल्दी ना तर हाऊ दे विल लूक आफ्टर रनिंग तांची स्टॅमिना कसो आसा एवरीथिंग इज इम्पॉर्टंट सो police are always neglected lot when they work maximum for us. So this is like a small initiative from Manipal Hospital to help them out, and this will be continuous process. We are having it in North Goa and South Goa. We were supposed to have it in police station itself, but today he said as an inauguration we will do it here, and IGP is likely to inaugurate it today.
How many